Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will be talking about how to create a winning landing page, and the today's video will be for those people who are frustrated with their landing page. They are sending audience to their landing page but they are not converting. So there's always something wrong with the landing page, because if the user lands on the landing page and they are not converting, there must be something wrong with your landing page format. So I have collected 10 ingredients which you can use in your landing page, and you can create a winning landing page from which you can easily convert your audience. So let's jump into the process and I will explain you all the ingredients in detail. Today we will be learning about the 10 ingredients to create the perfect landing page. So let's start. What is the landing page? Landing page is a page designed to market a single product or services or any idea or any offer you have to emphasize on only one offer on your landing page. Some people make mistake of advertising more than one product on their landing page. Please don't. Stick to one offer only. So the goal of the landing page is to get your potential customers to take a specific action on your landing page. In terms of marketing is to make the conversion. So there are few actions which they can take on your website. It depends on you what you are selling or what services you're offering, but there are few general actions which they can take. For example, downloading an ebook, buying your product, subscribing to your newsletter, registering to an event, or giving you their email address. So can you see the potential of your landing page, what you can sell and provide to your clients? Imagine everything you can do with that. So I hope now you understand what is the landing page and what is the purpose of a landing page. So let's jump into the ingredients. These are few 10 ingredients which I have created, and I've been creating many hundreds of landing pages, and I've been testing many strategies on the landing pages, and these are the ones which I have finalized and tested many times, and they always work. So these are the few 10 ingredients which we will be using in our landing page, and I will be explaining all these to you one by one. So the goal of the landing page is to get them by their eyeballs. So when a user lands on your website, you need a great hook on your landing page. So you only have 3.5 seconds of your audience to capture their attention. So you need to have a really good hook on your landing page, on the first section of your landing page, where you capture their attention and make them interested to read more about your services or your product. So that is the most important 3.5 seconds of your landing page. So you need to put all your attention on your first section of your landing page. So let's see an example here. On this first section of the landing page, they have placed the 5-star rating and their social proof that they have 5-star rating on Google and Facebook, which builds trust of their audience. And they have provided a great hook and three offers, which are really great in terms of their services: first month free, cancel anytime, and lifetime membership. So these are few things which make this example really good, that they have provided most of the great hooks on their first section of their page. So the second ingredient is the story-driven headline. So what we do with the story-driven headlines, we always test different types of headlines which covers the story of the product or your services. So basically, your headline divides your landing page into different sections. So make sure to add as many as you can on your landing page. Here are three reasons why. Most people skim the text. Most people only read the headlines on your landing page to get all the information they needed quickly. And most people don't believe your first claim, which you have provided them in the first section of your website, and they want to learn more. So the landing page is to help them overcome their disbelief. So here are one more example. We can see here what they have provided. They have provided more information in the bullet points on the second section of their website. They have provided the location, the hours, and a little bit about their company. So to craft a great headline, consider your audience frustration and desires. And most importantly, tell a story with them. Because when you use correctly, your headlines keep your readers glued to your landing page. And since most page visitors mostly skim the page, they instantly grasp the nature of your product or services just by reading your story-driven headline. So here are 5 story-driven I wrote for a client, but I have slightly edited them for this video. So you can read them and you will understand what type of frustration and desires I have used in these story-driven paragraphs. So notice how the sum of the headlines tells a story of personal growth. Each headline leads to the next one, and even if readers skim through the page, they'll understand what you're selling. So there's the power of a story-driven headline. So I hope up till now you have understand the power of story-driven headline and the first section of your website. So for the story-driven headline, it connects with the power lead, which takes us to our third ingredient. So in power lead, what you need to do, you need to add the lead at the beginning of your at the beginning of the body of your copy, right after the magnetic hook. A lead is an advertising tool that targets the frustration and desires of your audience. So what is a frustration? It's your audience's struggle and fears. It's what prevents them from achieving their goals. List the obstacles, objects, complaints, misconception, and common beliefs. So now it takes us to desires of our audience. So what are desires? They are your audience goals, dreams, and obviously desires. Think about where your product will take your buyer. What can your buyers achieve after buying your services or your offer? A simple way to write the lead is use the if and then formula. So the way you use this formula is to add multiple if statements where you tackle the frustration and desires and end it with one then statement. So you can see here some example I have placed, which you can read and use them as per your offer. So you can pause the video and read the whole formula and understand what's the frustration and desire of your customer will be, and everything will be clear in your mind that how you will be placing everything on your landing page and the sections, how it will be, and how you can explain your products to your customer according to their frustration and desire. Everything comes together in your landing page. So now we have understand the power of magnetic hook, the story driven headlines, and if and then a statement. So now we move to our fourth ingredient, which is the benefit driven bullet points. So yes, it's list everywhere. Think about list as your headlines, but a longer one. People love listicles. So when you think deeply about that, bullet points are part of a list. For this reason, great landing pages are overflowing with bullet points. Bullet points are brief, punchy statements that highlight the benefits of your product, what you are selling to your customer. And there are no such thing as too many bullet points. So you can put as many as you want where you are comfortable and satisfied that you have explained your product or services to your audience. So if you're wondering how to write bullet points, just imagine that they are longer version of your headlines that describes what your buyer will discover once they get your product in their hand. A pro tip, write bullet points before creating your product, then use them as a guide for making it. So it will clear your mind, it will clear your goal and scope of your landing page and your product, and the process will be really easy for you. So now let's move to our fifth ingredient, which is social proof. So what you can do with the social proof. So it's how you let other people words and action to do the selling for you. Use videos, testimonials, star ratings, or reviews or case studies from your products or from your past customers, and use them as your social proof. So use anything that proves that your offer works. Let others do the selling for you. Let's move to our sixth ingredient, which is powerful guarantee. So what happens if your buyer regret buying your product? Or what if they don't like your product? Provide your buyers with a rock solid guarantee. My recommend is 100% low risk 30-day money back guarantee. This is a short ingredient, but it is a really powerful ingredient. So now we have bonus ingredient, which will be the seventh ingredient of our winning landing page process. And this will make your audience more interested in your product, because this is the second last ingredient which will lead your audience to the action which we want them to perform on our landing page. So the bonus will add an extra topping of our landing page. So everybody loves this stuff, and therefore give your buyer a few bonuses with their purchase. So here is a list of bonuses you can include in your offer, or anything which you have according to your services or product. But make sure these bonuses add value to your offer. A bonus is something that you give away for free, but that doesn't mean it's low quality. In fact, each bonus should make your offer feel more value. So always think about your bonus before providing it to your customer. So finally, the bonus which you're providing to your customer, it should be related to your services or offer. Otherwise, it will lose the impact. So now we have our eight ingredient, the most important ingredient of our landing page, the call to action, an ingredient, in short form CTA. So I have created different examples for you here, which you can use in your landing page, and always stick to basics. A call to action is the special instructions which give to your audience. So you need to absolutely tell readers what to do next, or they will close the tab. You can use any of these CTAs in your landing page. Buy now, I want these, download now, subscribe, and you can also pause the video and subscribe to this channel while you're reading these CTAs. Now we can move to our second last ingredient, which is FAQs. They are really important in your landing page process, because many people don't include FAQs in their landing page and they think user don't require these type of information. But these are the information which builds trust between you and your audience, and they have paid that what they are buying, they have an ability to refund that, or there are someone who will support them after their purchase. So here I have created few FAQs which you can use according to your services and offer. But keep in mind, all your FAQs must relate to your offer. The most important FAQs is the refund policy and what exactly they are getting and how they can get help after their purchase. These are three important FAQs you must have in your landing page, and other FAQs you can add as per your offer. So always keep in mind that your FAQs will really build trust between you and your customers. So now we have reached to our final of our winning landing page recipe. So let's head to our 10th ingredient, which is PS, postscript. So what is PS? It stands for postscript, and here are some examples which you can use in your landing page. So people on your website, they will rarely read the whole landing page. Most times they scroll down and get to the bottom of the pricing section, and this is exactly where you will be putting your PS, your postscript, at the end of your landing page. Use the postscript to summarize what your buyers get when they purchase, and make sure to add the CTA with your postscript. So now that you know that what to add to your sales page, and you have all the ingredients to create the winning landing page, so use them and create an awesome landing page, and start converting your visitors into your leads and sell them your product. I will see you in next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.